Betsey Johnson Illusion Necklace featuring mixed faceted beads, delicate stone accents, lovely flowers, and heart embellished with woven mixed multicolored charms. Necklace is set in gold-tone metal with a lobster clasp closure. New York designer Betsey Johnson has built her long-standing career in fashion by following her own set of rules. Known for her celebration of the exuberant, the embellished, and the over-the-top, Betsey has been rocking the fashion industry with her unique and original designs since the 1960s. Her commitment to remain true to her one-of-a-kind vision has afforded Betsey continued success in an industry known for its fickleness. Her ability to change with the times while keeping her designs pure has not gone unnoticed. At the 1999 CFDA Awards, Betsey was presented the Timeless Talent Award, created especially for her, which recognized her influence on fashion throughout her career. Betsey was born in Connecticut and spent her childhood in dance classes. Her aspirations to be a dancer and her love for costumes laid the foundation for Betsey's creativity and inspiration, which is still evident in her designs today. In 1964, Betsey officially entered the New York fashion scene by winning Mademoiselle magazine's Guest Editor contest. 1 year later, she landed the top designer position for Paraphernalia, a clothing boutique that at the time housed the hottest young London designers, including Mary Quant and Paco Rabanne, among others. What would soon become known as Betsey's trademark look began its formulations here: sexy silhouettes, hippie-inspired flowing fabrics, whimsical detailing, and, most importantly, a fabulous fit. Illusion Necklace featuring mixed faceted beads, delicate stone accents, lovely flowers, and heart embellished with woven mixed multicolored charms. Necklace is set in gold-tone metal with a lobster clasp closure. Click on the description box to buy the product. Thanks and subscribe to the channel.